Hi guys, how you doing?
Hi. Oh, straight away. Okay.
As soon as she hears us say, hey, how you doing, or something like that. Come on.
Hi, Molly. Hi, my pretty
Go on.
girl.
Okay,
Oh, wow,
yes.
okay.
Yes, we're filming.
Today, Luke is going to be making a little bit of a taste from Malta. He's going to make Maltese ravioli.
Oh yeah, love that stuff. So Maltese ravioli, the dough is slightly thicker than your normal Italian ravioli. We call them ravjul in Malta. They're normally filled with ricotta and like egg, parsley, salt and pepper. But more traditional is filled with our homemade goat's cheese or sheep's cheese. We call them Gbejniet. I'll upload a video soon on how to make the cheese. In Malta, you can buy them frozen. They come in all shapes and sizes. You can get them square, round, oval, whatever. Today, I thought I'd try to use this contraption we bought years ago somewhere in Asia. I don't even remember when. It's a dumpling mold. I think I'm going to use the big one here and make some big raviolis. I'll just make sure to use the instructions on the back. I'll read them out to you. Number 1. Places on the model the stuffed dumpling skin. Number 2. Places on the stuffed dumpling skin the stuffing. Okay, number 3. As soon as along the hypothesis model is pressing the forming gently then. So, I just love this.
It reminds us a lot about everywhere we went in Asia. Whenever we're looking at menus, this is what the menus look like anyway.
When they're translated.
When they're translated.
The pot cooks this duck. So yeah, this is the contraption I'm going to use. It's like a bear trap. So I guess you put the thing there, put the filling, and close it. We'll see how it goes. I thought I might as well use it since I've had it so many years and never have. In Malta, we serve this ravjul with like a tomato sauce. So I'm going to make a quick tomato sauce from the tomatoes we grew this year. You can make it however you like. In Malta, we also traditionally have it with kind of like canned peas in there as well, but I don't have any, so it's just going to be with tomato sauce and some parmesan on top. Okay, so I'm going to jump into the kitchen and make some ravjul.
But before we do that,
oh yeah,
I want to just say thank you to everyone who's supported us. We've got a bigger following now, which we're very happy with. And if anyone wants to support us further, we have a Patreon page. And if you'd like to support us there, head on to patreon.com and look for Luke and Sarah's Off-Grid Life.
Yep.
And we thanks for everything.
Yeah, we definitely thank all our patrons who have been helping us out to keep producing content.
And everyone who's watching us on here, because you're helping us out too.
Oh yeah. Alrighty, into the kitchen. Okay, so this recipe normally makes 48 ravioli, but they are smaller, so we'll see how many we get out. Start with 200 grams of flour and just sieve it into a bowl. And then you can add 150 grams of fine semolina and a couple of eggs, which we had to wait for this morning. And just give it a mix, a pinch of salt. And you're going to want to add some cool water. Now it depends on the size of your eggs, but I would say I put about 50 milliliters of cold water. You do want a soft dough. Softer if you've made Italian egg pasta before. Go a bit softer than that. So just combine it all and just knead it for a good 5 to 10 minutes. Just get it going. And you're kind of wanting, like I said, quite a soft dough. Something like this. Like it's quite stretchy, as you can see. Yeah. Okay, so we'll leave that to rest for about an hour. In the meantime, we're going to make the filling. This is the Maltese sheep's cheese. So I put about 600 grams. You can use ricotta if you like. A lot of them in Malta are with ricotta as well. So just about a tablespoon of chopped parsley, about 30 grams of finely grated parmesan, and 2 more eggs, and a little bit of salt, and a little bit of pepper. Just mix it all together. So that'll be your filling done. You want it to look a bit like this, basically. Yum. Okay, time to roll out the dough. Now I think I'll cut it in 4. Just because my worktop is so small, so I'll do one piece at a time. So just roll it out quite thin, nearly as thin as you can, just a bit thicker. So I would say about 1 millimeter to 1.5 millimeters, basically. So about like that. Okay, let's try this gadget and follow those instructions. What was it? I forgot. So these are 10 centimeter rounds. Normally the ravjul are about 6 or 7, the normal sized ones. So just put a bit of water around the edge. Put your heaped teaspoon of ricotta there. Let's see, fold it over. Squash it down. Well, that's pretty, that's not bad. Pretty sweet, but very slow. I think, yeah, I'll just do it my way. But I'll keep the same size. I like a big ravjul. Okay. Nice heaped teaspoon. Wet the edges with a bit of water. Just so it all sticks together and they don't open when you cook them. And then fold them over and press down at the edges. Then you want to find a glass or something and just press down that's big enough to fit the size of ravjul that you're going to make. And just press down just so it's secured a bit tighter. Alrighty, we can cook these. Now you can put a bit of semolina just so they stick to each other. But I don't have any more, so I just put greaseproof paper. And I wouldn't stack them on top of each other and leave them for too long, because they will, with the weight of the top ones, will get stuck to each other. Here I'm just making a quick tomato sauce, just to go with the ravioli. This is our garlic, the way we process our garlic, so that was frozen. I just cook it down slowly with a finely chopped onion, just get those sugars going. And I'm adding a bit of tomato paste, because the tomato sauce that we made were mostly sweet yellow tomatoes, so the colour isn't quite there. The flavour definitely is, because they're really sweet and nice, this passata we made. Okay, a bit of salt and sugar. And I like to add a bit of water. This is my speedy tomato sauce, or napolitana we call it. And I just put it on full blast, just to cook it down really quick. Okay, water's boiling. So I'll put all of these ravjul in, and then once it comes up back to the boil, I normally cook them for about 4 to 5 minutes. I did put a dash of oil in there as well, just in case, so they don't stick. But I don't think that makes much difference, really. Okay, so they started boiling, 4 more minutes, and we can serve. Yum, here they are. I can't wait to eat these. I haven't had these in about a year, since the last time I was in Malta. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and you try them out. Let us know in the comments below if you do try them out. Some freshly grated parmesan on top, and some black pepper and fresh basil leaves. And let's eat! Woohoo! Alrighty.
Yum.
Woohoo! Taste of home. I love this stuff. Alright, that wasn't too hard. You'll obviously get better the more you do them. Alrighty, let's eat. Well, I am.
Luke's gonna eat. I don't like eating in front of the camera. So if you enjoyed this and learned something, give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you like our videos and you want to follow our journey. And that's it. Thanks for watching and have a great day.
See you next time.
See you next
Cheers.
time.